All right, so in this lesson, lesson 3, we're going to build equations to help us solve for unknown angles. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. All right, so we're always going to be using what we know. And there's a few rules like straight angles make 180 degrees, right angles make 90, also known as complementary. Triangles add up to 180, and so on. So always just go back to what do we know first. Now in this case, we're trying to find this angle here, and we know it's on a straight line. So what equation can we write to help us solve this? Well, W plus 124 is equal to 180 degrees. And now you have a one-step equation, and you can solve for W. In this second example, it's kind of similar to the one we just did before. We have a straight line along the bottom, and then these three angles make up that straight line. Now we know that a straight line adds up to 180. I can see that this is a 90. So what equation are we going to write? Well, A plus 90 plus A equals 180 degrees. I can simplify that. 1A plus another A is 2 A's plus 90 equals 180 degrees. Now you can see we have a two-step equation, and you can solve for A from there. If you need to review two-step equations, I recommend going back to Unit 5. So some of these are going to look really tricky to you, and that's okay. You just got to kind of take it one step at a time. In this case, we're trying to find x. So I see an x over here, and I see an x over here. So what do we know? Well, I know that, for example, this whole angle is 90. I know that this x here is vertical to this x, or this position over there, which means that it's also x degrees. Now, if I'm trying to find x, I now have a nice little piece of information here. I know that those three angles add up to 90, and I know that x plus 23 should equal 90. And now that I have an equation with one variable, I can set up my equation and then solve for x. Here we go. We have another two-step equation. 2x plus 23 equals 90. And then you solve your two-step equation from there. All right, last one. Looks like we're dealing with vertical angles again. So we're trying to find W. So it looks like there's a bunch of ways to do this one. So if I know my vertical angles, I know this W also corresponds to that one, and then this W is over here, and then 76 is over there. And now I can kind of figure out how do I want to create my equation. You can do all sorts of lines here, but let's say this is my straight line that I want to deal with. W plus 76 must equal 180. So I would just write 2 W's plus 76 equals 180. And then there you go. There you have a two-step equation, and you can solve for W from there.